Hey guys, welcome back to brightnighttech. My name is Berto and today we are looking at the TONOR TD510 Microphone. We're going to start with an unboxing and then we're going to take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, so here is the box. Pretty standard. Got their logo right there. Let's go ahead and look at the back a little bit. Some info. We're going to find out all that stuff in just a second anyway. So let's go ahead and just open this guy up right here. All right, right away we have the instructions, the little guidebook. Open it up. Kind of walks you through some stuff on how to choose it if you don't know how to do that. Tells you what it comes with in the box. Really important, this microphone is meant to be used on an arm. This is only the microphone. It does not come with the arm. Man, this thing is hefty. It is, and not in a bad way. I don't mean like it's heavy, like in a bad way. I mean, it means it's solid. It's very well constructed. It does not feel cheap. It is great materials. It feels like a real professional microphone. We have the buttons right there. We have volume. We have that middle button for muting. XLR connection in the back, USB-C, and audio cable for live listening. This thing is great. I really love the windshield in the top there. Let's take a look at what it comes. Oh my god, it comes with the XLR cable. Not all microphones will come with this. You have to have your own and everything. So that's really cool that they provide one along with, I'm assuming, the USB-C cable right here. And yeah, USB-C and XLR. That is a huge plus for them for including both cables on there. So like I said, this is the microphone only. You do need an existing microphone arm. I am going to show you guys how to set it up with an existing microphone arm and just show you how it's supposed to go. Let's do that now. Okay, so this is one that I've already have. This is like a standard microphone stand arm. So all you're gonna do is that you're gonna plug it in right there. Well, you're gonna thread it through, and I'm gonna spare you my fumbling hands of trying to do this whilst avoiding the camera here. So we're gonna secure it just like that and tighten that up, and that's it. That's all you gotta do. It feels really good on this arm right here. It has very good movement. You have access to all the buttons, which is great. I am very happy with this microphone. Definitely check it out. Let's do some tests. This is the raw audio of the TONOR TD510 dynamic microphone. This is the raw audio. I think it sounds pretty good. You can't hear some ambient noise. You can hear like the air, I guess you could say, like a hissing sound of just like general existing, if that's any way to say it. But I think the sound is really clear. I am a good few inches away from the microphone. I do notice that the closer I get, you know, this is what it sounds like when I get pretty close to the microphone. But it still sounds really smooth. The bass on it is really nice, actually. And I don't have to speak that loudly, which is really cool. That's definitely something you want. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And yeah, I really like this microphone. If I was doing any kind of podcasting, anything like that, I feel like this would definitely be one of the microphones that I would use because of how easy it is and just how well built and just high quality it is. So where can you get this and how much is it? You guys can pick this up on Amazon for $52.99. Now that is a fantastic price for a microphone of this quality. A big plus for me is that it comes with the XLR cable already, so you do have different devices that will take that, then you're all good to go. You don't have to provide your own, along with that USB-C. Solid design, great sound. I love the live listening that you can do with the audio cable, because you know you want to hear what your microphone's picking up, especially if you're doing podcasts or anything like that. You want to know in the moment what it's picking up. Again, this is the microphone only. There are versions that will come with the arm, but this is just the microphone version. And I do recommend this, especially if you're looking to upgrade your microphone setup, but also want to keep the price low. I think this is a good introductory to that. So go ahead and check it out. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.